Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. There are so many investment options that are available in our country today, but why am I talking about gold even today? Even today when the market has almost reached 50,000 mark, when everything is looking so fine. I mean, the IPOs are getting phenomenal response, the stock market is doing phenomenally well, people are getting a lot of good returns in their respective investment options. But then why am I talking about gold? Well, it's extremely important to be prepared for the worst case scenarios, and this video is basically dedicated for that particular thought only, because today I'll share with you why this is indeed the right time to invest in gold. We'll share with you 4 simple ideas or thoughts behind it. So without a further ado, one by one, let's have a look at it. So before we start, if at all you are new here, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well, so that you never miss an update from IndianMoney.com. And also, if at all you haven't liked the video yet, please do like it. I'm definitely sure that you will like the content that we'll be presenting in this video to you. So without a further ado, let's get started. The number one reason why you should be investing in gold in 2021 is because of the stimulus and inflation. As and when the years pass, the value or the prices of a lot of objects, a lot of things, a lot of commodities increases, and gold is one such commodity whose price has increased phenomenally well in the last 2 years. So if you don't believe me, you can look at this particular chart that's coming up on the screen right now. So if you notice over here, in the year January 2018, the gold price was somewhere around 28,000-30,000 rupees. And after the pandemic hit us, after so many other things, and after almost 2 years, today, gold price is almost 50,000 rupees. I mean, it's somewhere close to that, 50,000, 52,000, etc. That's the basic per 10 gram gold that's being traded in our country right now. That's the average price that if at all you have a pan-India approach. So that's what I'm trying to say over here, that basically if at all you haven't invested in gold already, and if at all you're thinking that gold has already reached 50,000 rupees mark, now there's no point investing right now. But maybe today 50,000 is sounding very big, but maybe after say around 4 or 5 years, if at all you have a look back, and you'll realize that probably that time 50,000 was cheap, because today gold might be around 70,000 rupees. So let's not do that. If at all you have any surplus cash that is there with you, if at all you're looking out for any investment option, then definitely you should consider investing in gold. The second reason why you should invest in gold is because gold is not an investment option that has come up recently. It has a rich heritage, it has a rich history. Even in the medieval times, even in the ancient India, even in the early man days when there was no other paper currency or no other kind of investment option that are available, gold was a medium of trade. Gold was a medium of transaction. Before and after, in fact, the barter system was implemented, after the so many other kinds of investment options that were discovered, gold was indeed one such investment option that had been accepted worldwide by different kind of kings, different kind of rulers, and it still has a lot of credibility and value as well, irrespective of how many different kinds of investment options that have come up today, how many different kinds of investment avenues that are digital in nature are also being used. But still, gold has its fan base, gold has its market, and even in future, gold will have a lot of value as well. So that's the reason why you should definitely have some amount of money invested in gold. It's ideally suggested that in your portfolio, around 10% of the money you should definitely be investing in gold. For example, if at all you have 1 lakh rupees that you want to invest, you should definitely try and keep at least 10,000 rupees worth of investment in gold. It can be any kind of gold. It can be gold ETFs, gold coins, or gold bonds, etc. But definitely a share of your portfolio should be invested in golds. The third point is that's extremely crucial, and the reason why you should be investing in gold is because of the geopolitical tension that might come up in the near future. Right now, the entire world's focus is on coronavirus pandemic, and they are trying to find a solution over here, trying to find the best possible vaccine, trying to improve their immunity, etc., etc. But once the things settle down over here, then again the countries will focus back on their bilateral trade, bilateral tension, on probably their cross-border tension. Currently, India is not in very good terms with China, and that has impacted both the countries in terms of the business. And India has banned almost all the Chinese applications. India is not taking any kind of Chinese investments, and even China cannot make investments in India. And right now, maybe we are not focusing on that. And also, eventually in future, once the coronavirus pandemic is over, people will again look back on this particular thing, and this might impact business, this might impact trade, this might impact a lot of investments of people also. Not just that, even the recently elected US president, we have not seen him in action yet, but you never know what kind of decisions he will be taking, which might impact the US stock exchange and eventually impact the Indian stock exchange also. So it's extremely important that you have a cushion in your portfolio, and gold is indeed one such cushion which will protect you in worst case scenario, because we have made several videos which have basically informed you that every time the equity market goes down, the gold prices go up. So it's extremely important that you have some amount of money invested in gold, irrespective of what kind of gold you're choosing, but it's important that you invest in gold. And the last but definitely not the least, currently we all are pretty much aware about the fact that stock market is a bit overvalued. All the IPOs that have been issued in the recent 3 months have been receiving phenomenal response, irrespective of what kind of companies they are receiving very good response, and they are getting listed at an overvalued price on stock market. And because of which, maybe after a couple of days or after a couple of months, we never know when that will happen, but soon they might be certain kind of a price correction which might impact your stocks, which might impact your investment, which might impact your overall portfolio's worth. So to be prepared for such worst case scenarios, it's extremely necessary that you make certain amount of money investments in gold, because that will basically protect you and your portfolio as well, and you'll be able to tide through the tough times that might be coming in the near future. So like this, if you want to learn more about personal finance, career building, farming and business, you can download the Financial Freedom app. There we have made more than 55 plus courses which are available in 6 different languages: Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam. So if at all you have any preferred language that you want to learn more about in terms of finance, you should definitely be downloading that particular app. The link of this app is provided in the description box. So if you like this video, please do share it with your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up as well, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well, and press the bell icon too, so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. My name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.